Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Intan Naziha binti Zulkifli. Now I would like to present about masalah pelajar kurang memberi perhatian dalam kelas. What in this research about? The main purpose, the first article is about focus on the factors that influence why students pay less attention in the classroom. The second article is about students who are less focused in the classroom due having diseases such as hyperactive, autism, and so on. Comparison between first article and the second article is article first state the factors related to why these students are less focused in the classroom. In addition, there are also effects and strategies in dealing with the problem of students being less focused in the classroom. The second article is about using origami in keeping students focused in the classroom. Teaching and learning origami are not focused on explanation and demonstration of teacher alone, but it also requires students to produce their own origami practically seen to encourage their motivation to strive to achieve of the objective or the result. What is important in this article? There are strategies for dealing with the problem of lack of concentration in the classroom. Rather than stating the factors and effects, there are also strategies for dealing with the problem lack of concentration in the classroom. The strategy is the lesson should be planned in an appropriate way, then organize it according to the level of students and should be supported by using teaching aids to stimulate the maximum development individual potential. The second article is using origami to attract students to focus on learning. What is interesting in this research is they use origami to attract the students to focus on learning. Origami activities can combine various senses to allow their students not just only visualize creative process of product in a short time, but they also have the opportunity to learn practically. Research contributions to teaching and learning. This research is an effort at an early stage to detect the factors that influence students who are less focused in the classroom. However, their lack of concentration in the classroom is due to several factors. The assessment can change the behavior of teachers and students in implementing classroom management better. What can we see here? Teachers is an important role in overcoming the problem lack of concentration in the classroom among students. Teachers' role is to assist the school in creating quality and competitive students. In addition, teachers also need to implement their pedagogical knowledge well so that the teaching and learning process will be more perfect. Applications of using origami in this research can show that students can concentrate on learning because the making of origami can sharpen their mind to work. The value of focus was given is very meaningful to enhance their functionality and effectiveness in learning. The uses of origami in teaching is a structured game that can improve skills in the imaginative and logical. Using origami can also improve social and communication skills of students with learning disabilities caused by the occurrence of two-way interaction between students and teachers. The use of origami is flexible and can be absorbed to teach various subjects should be an option for teachers to apply it to their students. In fact, the variety of methods that can be applied during origami teachings, such as demonstrations, games, video screening, and simulation, should be given due attention by teachers in teaching students with learning difficulties. That's all from me. Thank you.